Dear students, I am Dr. Vipul, your computer teacher from Mount Literacy School, Alwar. As you know, Summer Splash 2020 is going on and this is your computer activity class. In this class, we will learn some new and interesting things using PowerPoint. So let's start.
Dear students, today we will see how to make this type of photo collage using PowerPoint. So first of all, open PowerPoint. Whenever you open PowerPoint, you get an empty slide. First of all, go to Layout and make this slide blank. Then go to Design, Page Setup. Here you can see the default slide size is 4:3. Make it 16:9. Press OK. And you can see your slide becomes wider. Now we can apply background texture. So go to background styles, then format background. Here you have to click picture or texture fill, then go to texture and select any texture of your choice. Apply and close. Now to make a collage, we have to use shape. So first of all, insert shape. You can take rectangular shape, click here and draw the shape on the screen. Now with the help of rotating handle, you can rotate the shape like this, move it a little bit. Now we have to format this shape. So click it, go to format and go to shape outline. From here you can apply the weight. You can also change the outline color. Now copy this shape using Ctrl C command and you can paste it using Ctrl V. Now arrange these two shapes. Now again copy this shape and paste it, put it here, reduce its size. Now copy this smaller box, paste it. You can arrange it here. Again copy smaller box, paste it. You can arrange it here. Again copy it, paste it. Again you can paste it and put it here, and once more. Now the outline for your photo collage is ready. But you can see somewhere shape outlines are overlapping. So to resolve this problem, select all the outer boxes, outer smaller boxes, then go to send backward button and press on send to back. In this way you can remove the overlapping of outlines. Now we have to fill the pictures in the shapes. For this, click on any shape, right click here, format shape. Here go to picture or texture fill, click on file. I have already downloaded few pictures from the internet. Select any picture, click on insert button, press close. Now picture is inserted here in this shape, but the thing is, you can see picture is aligned with the shape but not with the slide. So once again go to the format picture, fill. Here you can see an option is given, rotate with shape. You have to remove this check mark. Now you can see picture is aligned with the slide. Now fill another picture, format shape, picture or texture fill, go to file, select another picture, insert, remove this check mark, close, go to another shape, format shape, picture or texture, file, select the picture, insert, again go to format shape, picture or texture fill, select a picture, insert, remove the check mark, close, again format shape, picture or texture, file, select the picture, insert, remove the check mark, and close. In this way you can complete your photo class, and you can see the output also. It will look like this.